Good morning and welcome to Awakening Democracy in India. My dear brothers and sisters, I have one particular message today regarding Awakening Democracy in India. What is the purpose of this channel? Why should I beg to take your time from you and watch this channel? It is imperative, it is essential, it is necessary to watch this channel because we the people are responsible for our own actions. If you look at our country, so many people are still left behind without quality education. And you see what happens if people are illiterate and uneducated? They do not know how to perform their duties. I am not telling you that people should demand only their rights, but I do demand that people should practice what are their fundamental duties. To make an Indian a responsible citizen of Mother India, it is necessary that he must know what are his duties and what are his rights. So many people go to undertake several activities which are unfavorable not only for themselves, not only for their society, but also for our country. So in order to save people's life, children's life, last week I met a few small boys, teenagers. I met them and I spoke to them. Hello, where are you going? They told me that we are going around just to beg some money so that we can eat food. That was a jolt. That was a very rude shock to me. I asked them, do you go to school? They said, no, we don't go to school. We don't have food to eat. We don't have home to live in. So these 6 boys were already fallen in the trap of bad habits. I told them, I advised them, boys, don't eat gutkas, don't smoke bidis, don't smoke tobacco. These are all very injurious to your health. And I told them, I could see their teeth were rotten right in the early life. So it was very shameful on my forehead. I felt very, very sad for them. I told them not to do anything wrong, but you go and take your books and start studying. Because they are also part and parcel of democracy. But instead of listening to my advice, those boys ran away and told me to give them a few coins so that they could have some breakfast or some food. I told them that if you don't study, you will not find food forever. I could have given them money for 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, but I could not give food. I could not give food to them forever. So I told them that please you learn some skill so that you can become self-dependent. So these are the weak links of our democracy. People may think that what are you talking about democracy? I again reiterate it. I again repeat it that we the people of India as a whole will succeed, as whole will win, as whole will be defeated. So we must take each and every part of our society together to make a healthy, wealthy and vibrant democracy. Now comes, what about their future of those children? If they go uneducated, if they remain illiterate, uneducated, what are they going to do for themselves? What are they going to do for our society? And what are they going to do for the country? Definitely, they are going to become pickpockets. They are going to become lawbreakers. Then police will arrest them. They will be arrested. They will be sent to jail, and they will be remaining in jail for, let's say, 10 or 15 years. Nobody is going to give them bail. And if I do not have statistics or particular data to present before you right now, but you imagine and think yourself, and you ask this is the age of technology. You ask any artificial intelligence, any Google guru, they will tell you that how many innocent people, or maybe what we call on basis of trials, they are in jail. So how can we protect our people from going to jail? If you do not educate people, they will continue to break the laws. What wrong I am speaking? I am speaking the truth. Whether the truth is bitter, but truth must be told. Unless and until we call a spade, we cannot survive. It is our responsibility, it is our duty as a whole India that please educate these people. And I tell those people who have some money in their pockets, who have stolen money from coffer of Mother India, will not be spared in future. Today, take it for granted, most of the youths who are studying in colleges, universities, they know what is right and what is wrong for our nation. All politicians are given last warning. They come to the point, start doing good work for society, start doing good work for the country without quarreling among yourself. Have a nice time and live and let live. Live and let others live. This is the message, universal message of all books, all holy books. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. May God bless you. Thank you for watching Awakening Democracy in India. Thank you so much.